How to see messages on Instagram without seen? Follow these steps. The first method is easy and reliable. You can preview Instagram messages direct from the notification center. When you receive a message, swipe down on your phone to open the notification center. You can read the message right here. No need to open Instagram at all. As long as you don't tap into the message, the sender won't know you have seen it. However, if you click on the notification and open the full conversation, the sender will see that you have read it, so just keep it in the preview to stay undetected. For the second method, open your Instagram app and tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner and let your message load in the direct message section. Now go ahead and turn on airplane mode on your phone. This will disable both your Wi-Fi and mobile data, making your phone offline. With the airplane mode on, you can go ahead and read the messages without Instagram being able to send the seen notification. Once you are done reading the message, make sure to close the Instagram app completely. Just swipe it away from your recent app to be sure. If you want to completely avoid the seen status for specific people, Instagram has a feature called Restrict. Open the Instagram again and search for the profile of the person you want to restrict. You can do this by tapping the search icon at the bottom and typing their name in the search bar. Once you are on their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Restrict. This will keep their message hidden from the main inbox and instead send them to the message request section. Now you can read their messages without them knowing. And there you go. You have multiple ways to read Instagram messages without being seen.